你们पास हो गया सोचा नहीं था पास हो गया इसलिए
Hello everyone, good morning. We are welcoming winters in Lonavala with a chilly, hot swimming pool.
And next 30 days, enjoy it. Let's go.
Hello fellow travelers. Today we're off to Lonavala. This beautiful hill station is in the Sahyadri Mountains. The mountains are green and full of life. Lonavala is a special place. Lonavala is a perfect getaway from the city. The air is fresh and cool. You can relax and enjoy the peace. There's something for everyone in Lonavala. One of the most popular spots is Tiger's Leap. This point offers breathtaking views. You can see the green valleys below. The Echo Point is nearby. It's fun to hear your voice echo through the hills. You can feel the thrill of nature at Tiger's Leap. The wind whispers through the hills. The views will take your breath away. It's an experience you won't forget. Bushi Dam is another must-visit. It's especially beautiful during the monsoon season. The dam overflows with rushing water. You can see small waterfalls all around. It's a sight to behold. Lonavala is also home to ancient caves. The Karla and Baja caves are nearby. These caves are full of history. They date back centuries. Exploring them is like taking a step back in time. For a peaceful experience, visit Lonavala Lake. This lake is surrounded by green hills. You can relax by the water and enjoy the tranquility. Pauna Lake is another beautiful spot. It's perfect for a picnic or a boat ride. Lonavala is a nature lover's paradise. The air is fresh, the views are stunning, and the atmosphere is truly rejuvenating. I hope you get a chance to experience its magic someday.